Now, in the previous YouTube video, we have seen the probability. In this chapter, we seen some introductions and random experiment, outcomes and equally likely outcomes, practice set 5.1. From this previous YouTube video, we know the random experiment. So what is random experiment? The experiment in which all possible results are known. म्हणजे असा एक्सपेरिमेंट की ज्यामध्ये all possible result are known but none of them can be predicted with certainty. म्हणजे त्यापैकी हे असंच होईल म्हणजे सर्टन्टी असेल त्यामध्ये असं आपल्याला प्रेडिक्ट करता येत नाही. and there is equally possibility for each result is known as random experiment. त्यानंतर आपण पाहिलं होतं तो म्हणजे आउटकम्स. द रिझल्ट्स ऑफ रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट इज कॉल्ड द आउटकम इज नोन ॲज आउटकम्स. अँड नाउ वी सी द सॅम्पल स्पेस. व्हॉट इज द सॅम्पल स्पेस? सॅम्पल स्पेस मीन्स द सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. म्हणजे जेवढे आउटकम्स त्या ठिकाणी मिळतील ते सर्व पॉसिबल आउटकम्स काय करायचे असतात ऑफ रँडम एक्सपेरिमेंट इज कॉल्ड द सॅम्पल स्पेस. त्याला काय म्हणायचं आपण? सॅम्पल स्पेस. It is denoted by sample space is denoted by S or this sign. This sign is called as omega. This sign is called the omega. Now generally we denote it by S. Then each element of the sample space. Sample space मधील प्रत्येक एलिमेंट जो आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं आपण? सॅम्पल पॉइंट. त्यानंतर the number of elements in the set S. The number of elements in the set S is denoted by n of S. लक्षात घ्यायचं की the set of all possible outcomes is known as random experiment. The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called the sample space. It is denoted by S or omega. Each element of the sample space is called the sample point, and the number of elements in the set S or number of elements in the set sample space is denoted by n of S. And if n of S is finite, finite means the number of elements in the n of S is countable, then the sample space is a finite sample space. Now we see the examples on it. In each of the following set of experiment, खाली ते experiment दिलेला आहे, write the S. काय लिहायचं आपल्याला? S लिहायचं. That is mean the sample space and the number of sample points, that is n of S. The first experiment is one coin is tossed. म्हणजे एक कॉइन काय केला आपण? टॉस केला. So what is the random experiment? One coin is tossed. Then the sample space. Then the sample space S is equal to all the elements are written in the curly bracket. काय येऊ शकते? head or tail. तो H for head, T for tail, curly bracket complete. Only these two possibilities are found, and therefore number of elements in the set S. S मध्ये किती एलिमेंट झाले इथे? There is only 2 elements. Now the second example. 2 coins are tossed. किती कॉइन टॉस केले? आता 2 कॉइन आपण टॉस केले. What is the random experiment? 2 coins are tossed. Then the sample space. Then the sample space S is equal to. Let us suppose that the first coin, outcome of the first coin is head, and the second coin is also head. Let us suppose first coin is head, the second coin is tail. Then the first coin is tail, second coin is head, and then first coin is tail and the second coin is also tail. And there are n of S, number of sample point S is equal to 4. n of S is equal to 4. तर आता या लक्षात आलं असेल. तो what is the sample space, what is S, and what is the n of S. 3 coins are tossed. Which is the random experiment? 3 coins are tossed. Then the sample space S is equal to. Now here 3 coins. How many coins are? 3. 1, 2 and third coins. So let us suppose the first coin is H. Then second is also H, third is also H. When the first coin is H, then here H, now this is T. If the first is H, then the second is T, third is H. If the fourth is H, then this is second is T and third is T. And like this. So here the first is H, H, H. But the H is on first coin, this is on second coin, this is on third coin. The second is H, H, T. Then H, third is H, T, H. Fourth is H, T, T. And likewise we can write all these sample points. Here we write it in the proper manner. Like this. H, 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 T, H, T, H, T, H, H. Now all are H. Here one is T. Here all are H. Here one is T. Third coin, here second coin, and here first coin. Then now H, T, T, two. Second and third coin is T. Then T, H, T. Then T, T, H. So these 3 points are. There are 2 T. And now we can write H, T, T, T. All are T. Now how many sample points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And therefore N of S is equal to 8. लक्षात आले की म्हणजे आपण properly you can write it properly. Then there is no mistake. Otherwise you can make the mistake. Now the fourth experiment is a die is thrown. A die is thrown. Random experiment, a die is thrown. So then the sample space S is equal to, you know that die, it contains 6 dots. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot and 6 dot. And therefore N of S is equal to 6. Now here 2 dice are thrown. The random experiment is 2 dice are thrown. Then the sample space S is equal to, in curly bracket, both are dice. And therefore first and second, if the first die contain 1, then the second die contain 1. First die is 1, this is 2, 1, this is 3, 1, this is 4. And therefore we can write 1 comma 1, this is first, then 1 comma 2, then 1 comma 3, then 1 comma 4, then 1 comma 5, and then 1 comma 6. Here 1 is on first die and the second die will change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the first die contains 2, then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, here 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. In this row the first die contains 2 and the second die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now in third, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. In this row the first die is on 3 and the second die will change. Then next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Similarly, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, here 5, 6. then 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, 6-5 and 6-6. These are all sample points. And here total number of sample points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 6 are 36. And therefore n of s is equal to 36. Now you observe this chart. Here you see 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. The sum of these points is 1 plus 1, 2, and the last is 6 plus 6, 12. Means sum of these outcomes from the two dice, when the two dice are thrown, it is in between 2 and 12. Both are included. Or we can say that greater than 1 and less than 30. That is, this is the line. If you go above, the point or the number on the second dice is greater. Here the number on the second dice is 2, here is 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is greater than the number on the first dice. Here is also same. 2, 3. 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 2, 6 is greater than 2. Means all these sample points are, or the number on the second die is greater than the number on the first die. Now below this line, the number on the first die is greater. Number on the first die is greater than the number on the second die. तर या गोष्टीकडे जर आपण लक्ष ठेवलं तर हे सर्व पॉइंट्स आपल्याला लिहिता येतात. पुढे काम आहे नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज जेव्हा आपण पाहणार तेव्हा या सर्व गोष्टीचा आपल्याला उपयोग होईल. आणि त्यामुळे अशा एक्झाम्पलमध्ये वेन द टू डायस आर थ्रोन देन द सॅम्पल्स पॉइंट जे आहेत ते याच प्रमाणे लिहिण्याचा प्रयत्न करावा, सराव करावा. रँडमली लिहायचे नाही. ए कार्ड इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम ए पॅक बेअरिंग द नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 25. म्हणजे त्यावर काय केलेलं आहे, कार्डवर नंबर्स कोरलेले आहेत, बिअर केलेले आहे 1 to 25. या कार्डच्या बंडलमधून आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, पिकअप ए कार्ड. ए कार्ड इज ड्रॉन. देन द सॅम्पल स्पेस यस इज इक्वल टू द फर्स्ट कार्ड इज 1, second is 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. The last card is 25. Last card is of 25 and therefore n of s is equal to how much? 25. म्हणजे लक्षात घ्या की कार्डवर नंबर ठेवलेले आहे 1 to 25 आणि त्याचं बंडल ठेवलेलं आहे. त्यामधून एक कार्ड काय करायचं आपल्याला ड्रॉ करायचं आहे रँडमली. तर इट मे बी 1, a card bearing a number 1. It may be the card bearing a number 2. It may be the card bearing a number 3 and like 25. And therefore n of s is equal to 25. Now 7. A card is drawn. कुठून कार्ड ड्रॉ केलेला आहे? From a well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. There are 52 playing cards. And in the previous YouTube, we see how they are. ते कसे आहेत, कोणते असतात ते आपण पाहिलं आहे. And you know that they are diamond, spade, heart and club. And therefore the sample space yes in curly bracket diamond. आता diamond मध्ये कोणकोणते असतात? Ace 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then jack, then queen, and then king. These are 13 cards. Then in spade, they are also same. Ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen, and king. Then heart. Ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen, king, and in club ace 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen, and king. Curly bracket complete. These are the 52 playing cards, and therefore n of s is equal to, you know that it contains the 4 sets, diamond, spade, heart and club, and each set contains how many cards? 13 cards, and therefore there are 4 sets. The 13 4s are 52. The n of s is equal to 52. Now we see the practice set 5.2. In this set, for each of the following experiment, write the sample space S and the number of sample point n of s. First is one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. What is thrown? One coin and one die. Then the sample space S is equal to, in curly bracket, one coin and one die. So coin is H1, or we can say that 1H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H and 6H. This is a die and this is a coin. 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T, 6T. One dice and one coin is thrown. And therefore n of s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6, 12. n of s is equal to 12. Then the second experiment is 2-digit number are found using the digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating 8 digits. म्हणजे पाहिजे which 2 digit of, what is the 2-digit numbers, or we can say that here random experiment. Random experiment, 2-digit number are found. 2-digit numbers are found using the digits, digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating. Digits without repeating a digit. So here then the sample space S is equal to, in curly bracket, काय करायचं आपल्याला 2-digit numbers काय करायचे, कशापासून? by using 3 digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digits. म्हणजे एक डिजिट जो आहे तो रिपीट व्हायला नको. जसं की 2 and 2, 22 हा नंबर तयार होतो. तर here the digit 2 is repeated and therefore such numbers are not included in the sample space. And we here thought 2 and 3, 23, 2-digit number, 2 and 5, 25, then 3 and 2, 32, then 3 and 5, 35, or we can say here 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5, 5, 2 and 3. So 23, 25, 32, 35, 52, 53, 52 and 53. And here n of s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. n of s is equal to 6. Then third experiment. What is the random experiment? The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on the disc. Find out which color it may stop. म्हणजे बाजूला फिगर दिलेली आहे, त्यामधला ॲरो काय केला आपण, रोटेट केलेला आहे. तर ऑन विच कलर इट मे स्टॉप, तो कोणत्याही कलरवर काय करू शकतो, थांबवू शकतो. आणि therefore yes, sample space yes is equal to, in curly bracket, we just start from orange, then it may stop on red, it may stop on purple, it may stop on green, it may stop on blue, it may stop on yellow. And therefore n of s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. n of s is equal to 6. Now fourth example. In the month of March 2019. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which the date is a multiple of 5. म्हणजे डेट कशी पाहिजे, मल्टिपल ऑफ 5. तर असे कोणते दिवस आहेत? सी द गिव्हन पेज ऑफ द कॅलेंडर. बाजूला कॅलेंडर दिलेलं आहे त्यावर. तर देन द सॅम्पल स्पेस यस इज इक्वल टू इन कर्ली ब्रॅकेट. आता यामध्ये 31 डेज आहे. तर दे आर डेट 31. तर मल्टिपल ऑफ 5 कुठे कुठे जातात? 5 ट्यूजडे, देन 10 डेट कोणत्या दिवशी? संडे. देन 15 which is on Friday. Then 20 it is on Wednesday. Then 25 it is on Monday. And then 30 it is on Saturday. Curly bracket complete. And here n of s is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. N of s is equal to 6. And the last is the activity. For a road safety committee. Road safety committee दिलेली आहे of 2. We have to form a road safety committee of 2 from 2 boys. Which are these 2 boys? B1 and B2. B1 and B2 are the 2 boys. B1 and B2 are the 2 boys, and G1 and G2 are the 2 girls. You have to form a road safety committee. Fill in the following blanks. Committee of 2 boys. The 2 boys च्या committee किती form होती तिथे? Only B1, B2. Only B1, B2 is committee formed. Committee of 2 girls. 2 girls committee कोणती तयार होईल? G1 and G2. Here 2 girls committee. And third one is committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. Committee of 1 boy. So B1, G1, B1, G2. B1, G1, B1, G2. Then B2, G1, B2, G2. So such are 4 committees. Then the sample space yes is equal to, we can write B1, B2, then B1, G1, then B1, G2, then B2, G1, B2, G2, and G1, G2. There are how many committees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. N of S is equal to 6. Now you have to solve the similar example in the problem set 5th. Thank you.